Hey people, welcome back to the channel.
You join us this week back amongst the drama with Nicole.
Let's hope this tinfoil thing does its trick.
Here she comes. Trusty tinfoil.
It's good now. Yeah, I got my tinfoil back. Nicole,
You got enough for your sandwiches?
Nicole, that was good. Huh?
Oh, I heard a bit of yalla, yalla.
You need to get up that hill first as well.
I know. We'll set off in half an hour and meet you there.
Just there.
Oh, did it work?
Yeah, the lights are still on. The lights.
But did the brakes work?
And then we're going to the garage.
I know.
Yes.
That's the same noise as before.
I'm not going down.
Let's go meet the garage.
21 minutes and we're there.
Right, my friends.
Are you gonna go? Yalla!
Follow me, yeah?
Yeah, I suppose so. Yeah, we'll get in. Yeah, 10 minutes. We'll catch up.
I'm gonna have lunch here first.
Right, don't do it again, okay?
Well, we've got Ali. We've got Ali.
Oh my God. Woohoo! Off she smokes. It's smoking like a mother. Get it smoking. Don't speak too soon, Merle. Just blown again. It's just blown again. She stopped, I think. Yeah, he's beeping all happy. He's gonna go and greet her at the top of the hill. Right, so Nicole's got a little way up the hill. It smoked a bit, as you saw, and now she's come to a stop again. And we've got hazards all around. I don't know whether she managed to pull over this time or what, so we're gonna drive up and see if it's another one blown. Let's see. Maybe 200 meters, if that. That's how far she got, bless her. Right, let me go and see what's going on. Right, I'm gonna go and see what's the score, see what's actually going on. At least this time she managed to get off the road. Oh, the mechanics.
We're having a rest.
So what's happened? It's just blown again.
Until that exhaust is fixed, any repair.
It's just going to keep going. And she can't drive with it like this.
No. I said to Nicole, this would be back in there, drop her decking off over the edge of there.
Oh yeah.
And you could sit suspended in the trees.
Oh, how nice. Oh, how lush would that be? Shit, that's so cool.
If it's going to be stuck and we're going to be here for the night,
Yeah.
back it in here to about there.
Oh my
Drop
God.
the decking down and we just sit and watch the sun disappear. I mean, I could probably squeeze my ban in there and we get two in there just, wouldn't we?
You're being serious, aren't
Yeah. Fuck yeah. If we're stuck,
you? Well,
if she can't go
I
anywhere, it'll be
mean-
right, laugh.
oh,
We can go
well,
and
you
get
need to go and
supplies.
plead your case to Nick and Andy then.
I'll come. Oh,
Oh, hello, she's moving again. Bye. Where's she driving to?
well, wherever she can bloody well get to, I think.
Okay, this is good. Oh,
Oh, it's just gone again. Keep going.
right. Back in the vans.
I'm loving this shit.
The glory of van life on the road is literally, this shit can happen anywhere. Just get used to it. I am certainly impressed with Nicole's mood right now because I know what I'm like when we break down. So kudos to her. She's pretty chilled for the situation that's going on.
Coming up the mountain, coming up the mountain.
She's coming up the mountain when she comes. Woohoo!
Singing yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's
Yeah.
smoking.
Oh shit, it's smoking like a mother.
Oh no.
Keep going, Nicole.
Keep going.
Oh, right, never mind her, let's go. Right, so She's smoking up the hill and we've still not reached her yet, so fingers crossed she'll make it down to Aourir. There is, I think there's about, let's see how far we've got to go. Uno momento. 20 minutes away. So she's got to do 20 minutes of driving to reach Aourir.
Uphill where she's struggling, isn't it?
Yeah, I suppose that's where the heat's going to come, isn't it? Ooh, what a day!
Well, she's made it up here.
I know, I'm impressed. Let's see if we can catch up to her. Woo! Nicole has her very own mechanic escort vehicles and support vehicles behind them, i.e. me and the Franx and Merle. We're still going.
Downhill now, isn't it? It's easy.
Yeah, we're coming down from the mountains, so I suppose it's not quite as difficult. But you wouldn't miss her. I mean, no, we had no reason to worry where she was parked in the daytime anyway. She's bright as anything and you can see her from miles away. So the cars all had a prior warning before they reached her. And it's not going to be fun. Alright, darling. Tacos, supplies, and then shelter. Bread first. So we drove through the mayhem, now we're walking through it. And to add to the mood, it's super windy as well. A little bit unsettling. Where's this taco joint? There it is, as recommended by Melanie. Are you stressed, really? Oh.
It's been a hell of a night. You need to do yoga night.
Yeah, you need to do some of that exercise. Sit down. New taco town, new tacos. Trying the Moroccan pancakey thing for the first time. Is it good?
I think so.
The cow is in there.
Mmm, it's yummy. Hello, puppies.
That's the one you done it new. And look, film them there.
Nice.
While
That's you? Ah. They made you look young.
beautiful, they made you.
Right, we're about to go and discuss what we're going to do, where we're going to stay. Because we're changing our mind like this fucking wind is changing.
Because it's so windy.
I know. It's stirring up all your emotions, all your decision making just goes to pot when it's windy. En route to Richie's, which is literally just down this little dirt path. We're just about to go past my little puppy friends. I wonder if they're all there still. Anyhow, we're gonna get to Richie's and try and find a fairly sheltered area, and if not, we're gonna use our vans to create a sheltered area. So let's see what happens. We've left Nicole in Aourir where she's getting her van sorted. It's literally walking distance to Richie's. So we said we'll see if we can get settled, and I'll message her to say come over or don't. Anyhow, let's go and find somewhere to park. It's looking a little bit gnarly out there. definite no-no. My skin feels thick with dust. Oh my days. Right, we're gonna go and try out behind Richie's. It was really weird when we turned up. I was like, there's no wind. It's not that bad. Like, it's fine. This is very bearable. And then the gusts came and we thought, nah. Oh yeah, listen to the windows. Oh, that's how badly windy it is. See, it wasn't even blowing through like this before, was it? That's crazy. It's just as windy. I don't know what to suggest. There's no shelter. I think that one back up behind Aourir, where we were last night. See what Merle thinks.
We're thinking it's back to that one last night. Do you know the way?
Okay, so there is absolutely nowhere on Richie's beach area, which is also known as Aourir plage. There is not one place in the area which isn't windy as floof. So we're gonna head back to where we were last night, which is a little bit inland, so there's a bit of protection from the wind because it's just uncomfortable. You can't even stand outside because you're just getting covered in dust. So we remedy the problem by just going, don't we, darling?
Being sandblasted, won't we?
So for us, it's back through crazy town again. Should we go, Luna? We've just gone back into Franx, who was supposed to be coming to meet us on Richie's, and he's now turned around and he's leading the way to a place where he saw when we came into Aourir earlier on today. So hopefully we're en route to a different park up, but we will see. It's crazy.
Crazy town.
There's beeping going on everywhere. Holy crap. Oh my god, he's just going to pull out, is he? What? Woo! You can't just do that, can you?
Put the coats for, not fucking pull out and say, wait, let me out.
This place, man.
Running the gauntlet, yes again.
Anyway, we figured, well, Nick figured out a long time ago that if you're going to get through the towns like this, you just have to, like, basically drive like them.
Yep.
Yeah. Drive
So
like a Moroccan.
No indicating, a lot of beeping, a lot of Morocco time.
No signals. Just pull out. We stopped and saw our friend Adam, who we've not seen in a while, and because we stopped, Andy and Franx have gone ahead, and we're actually in the process, like I said before, of trying to find a new spot on the same road on the way to the other park up, see if we can stay there. Yeah. So we're just at the moment trying to catch up to them. I've got Andy to send me his location, but in the meantime we've just got to keep an eye out where we are and what we're doing. They're over there. Right, just slow down. That's it.
There's a lot of rubbish here.
That one's 10 minutes away, isn't it?
It's just said to Andy, he said maybe we got the other one. It wasn't windy when we got here.
No.
I got out and it's...
Yeah, let's go there.
Yeah.
Yeah? Sound. Okay, so this place has a shitload of shit everywhere. Rubbish, basically. So we're gonna swing by Merle's place. Swing by his house, tell him the plan. Merle!
We're going to the other one.
Right, coming in.
Let's go, go, go! Come on, Merle. Okay, so we've made it to last night's park up. We're back here. Sun's gone down, so it's certainly not in here this evening, and we are not in a rush to leave tomorrow morning, I don't think. It's been go, go, go this last few days, and I feel like we need some chill before our journey up north, because I don't know if I've said it before, but we've decided to stay a few extra days at the coast just to try and get the most out of the beautiful sunshine, because up north at the moment it's horrendous by the looks at it, the weather. So yeah, definitely a good idea to stick where the sun is and then head up north a bit quicker than originally planned. But for tonight, I think we get to chill. This is Mama Bear, who's been coming to see us. And here's the little pups at last. Yay! Oh, listen to them. It's like she's just given them permission to leave the nest.
Yeah. Look.
Oh my god, look how fluffy they are. Hello, puppies. Oh my god, look at them. Come on, puppies.
going?
Hello, Mama. Hi. Oh my God. Look at this. Why is this one so fluffy compared to the other? Oh, are they puppies, Luna? They're being gentle.
Your dog is very nice with them.
Good girl, Luna. Oh, is she beautiful, Luna? Are they gorgeous? Oh, look. Catch up, little one. They're finding some more shade. It's like seeing a little lion pack. Oh, have we got the bottom of that bowl still? Hey, puppies. Hey, Mama. So it's morning at our parking between Paradise Valley and Aourir. It's a beautiful day, and Nick's finally tuning the guitar.
No, restringing it.
Restringing it, sorry. Yeah, these strings have been in well over 18 years at least. But our friend Franx has just done the small one because it's been snapped a few times. First time by you, second time by Adam. So we've got some more strings. And Franx has managed, luckily, to sort it out, right? It needs a clean, doesn't it? At last will be used instead of just looking good under the cabinet.
Now just get made it to surf now.
Gather round in the campfire of the light. We've just spent nearly 3 hours tuning this guitar. Life's too short to live, 'cause we can.
Here she comes. Woo! Woo! Right, that's it for this week, people. Don't fret though, because we've got all this coming up in next week's episode. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this far. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing.
It's completely free.
Also, hit the like button and let us know in the comments what you've been up to on your adventures,
And don't forget to ding the bell.
so you can keep up to date on all our latest vlogs. And finally, if you really like this channel,
Then here's a few other ways you can support us.
hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are.
Only half the world away.
Keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count. Shall I bring you Coke in the front? Oh shit, we're still recording. Oh no. What are we gonna do?
What's wrong?
I'm not arguing with you. I have an argument with yourself. It feels like you're in hospital and we're coming to see you in hospital. Done it?
Tomorrow.
So we just had to stop. Oh.